When I find filaments I like to share them with you. So, you know, you try things, you test them, you like them, you share them. This is Tinmorry, and I just tried the green and red filament. The green is really nice. I also find that these clear filaments are a bit stronger than the opaque ones. So I've been using a little bit more clear ones. Also, you can take a look at my new race canopy. It kind of comes up just enough that you can flip it over. It has a hole that holds the GPS, but I can pop the GPS out if I don't want to use that. And that's where my canopy is now. And then this is the red filament. It's nice too. It comes out nice. The discus, and this version is basically to do a Crux 35 transfer. So this one's going over to Matt in Calgary, and we got another one going over to Chaser with a Crux 35. So it's cool. You can just take a Crux 35, transfer it over. This is T700 4mm carbon, and this thing weighs about 30. Well, with all the prints, let's see what it weighs. Okay. The prints, battery strap, screws, whatever. What are we at? Ooh. Yeah. 45 grams. Just the frame without the prints and stuff is about 30, 35. So that makes it a bit heavier, but it also gives you protection. Oh, and we have the strap and we have the cap and stuff. So it does make it a little bit heavier, but still, all of that compared to the AOS 3.5 without any protection prints or anything. I love doing this. Boom! 66 grams, so. Affiliate links in the description, so you can just use those. That'd be wonderful. It helps me. Costs you no more. Also, the Sunlu Sky Blue. It's like a silk filament. It comes out really nice. It's like nicer than the opaque filaments. Maybe not as strong as the clear ones. I don't know, but it took a beating so far. We smashed it full force into a pole. Going back and forth, and boom! Oh. And it protected my motor. I'd say that's pretty good. I'm just getting ready for nationals, not streaming as much. I don't know, I just haven't been in the mood. Avery, I've had a couple days with Avery and I just wanted to spend time with her. You know what's important. I get caught up in this stuff, and then, like, you know, FPV, it just never ends. I wanted to have a couple days with Avery. We went to the movies, we watched Spider-Man, we watched Superman. It was pretty good. I like the new Superman. We watched Jurassic Park 2. She thought it was a little bit scary. Stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Especially if you're into drone stuff. If you're just here for the 3D stuff, whatever, just smash the like button and disappear. I also made a 3D printing playlist. You can go through that and see if there's anything you missed. Yeah, I'm probably gonna fail IGAO this week because I don't know if I want to even practice or try. And I'm disheartened because of the CN Tower crap. Not getting top 10 at least when it was a huge tower. High risk, you know, all that stuff, whatever. I'm salty. And I'm not wearing many clothes, so yeah, that's why I'm not looking at you. So have a wonderful day. Smoochy smoochy. And subscribe to my streaming channel if you want to hang out on streams again, even though they won't be drone streams. They'll just be hanging out. If you want to hang out, subscribe to that channel. I only need 2 more subscribers, and then we can start live streaming from there, just light and just hanging out and whatever. Okay? Have a good one.